Hi guys, today we'll be making mini phyllo tarts. Let's begin. You will need half a cup of melted butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, and phyllo dough. So you're going to grab a piece about this size, and with the melted butter and a brush, you're going to brush the melted butter onto the phyllo dough, just like this. Then you're going to sprinkle powdered sugar. Then you're going to grab another phyllo dough and place it on top. Then brush it with butter and add a little bit more powdered sugar, if you want. Then you're going to grab your knife, and I cut it into threes, like so. Now there are two ways to do this part. You can set it up on your working board, like so. And then place it into the mini muffin pan by pushing it in just like that and making sure everything is fit properly. Or you can just put it directly into your mini muffin pan like I did. I put the first one in and then I put the second one in. Then you're going to bake it for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for only 4 to 5 minutes. You want to make sure the edges are brown just like this. Don't burn it, so keep an eye on it. So I found the easiest way for me to remove it was grab a fork, and there you go, really easy to remove. Here's a tip with phyllo dough. It's very fragile, so when you defrost it, place it in the refrigerator overnight before you use it. Tip number 2, keep it wrapped in a moist towel in a cool area so it won't harden. When it hardens, it's harder to use and it will break really easy. To make the filling, you will need 1 8-ounce cream cheese, 8 ounces of white chocolate, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 8 ounces of Cool Whip. So first add your cream cheese into the bowl, and then you're going to add the white chocolate, and you're going to mix it until everything is mixed in very well. Then add your 2 tablespoons of milk, and you're going to mix it again. Then grab your Cool Whip and add it to the mixture, and you're going to fold it in. So to do that, start from the bottom and fold it in. Start from the bottom and put it on top. Keep doing that until everything is mixed in very well. To make it easier to put the filling into the phyllo dough, I just put it in a piping bag so it would be much easier to place it in. Or you can use a Ziploc bag, but this is what I had, so I just used it. And then you're going to cut it. Then, my favorite part was to pipe it in. So easy. So once you're finished piping everything in, you are going to want to add your berries or strawberries or raspberries. I use blackberries because that's what I had in my refrigerator, but the more colors you use in this tarts, the more prettier it will be. And there you have it. It's really simple and yummy. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye! Click to subscribe for more awesome recipes, like and share with your friends, and watch more of my yummy, awesome videos.